All right, let me quickly cut across to Sahil Joshi joining us live from Mumbai to give us an update on day 3 of the Bombay High Court hearing Aryan Khan's bail plea. Sahil, over to you. All the action at the Bombay High Court today. It was all spoken of how Shah Rukh Khan might be appearing in court yesterday. Do you think that's going to happen today? And what more will be the line of arguments today in court? Take it away.
Well, Shah Rukh Khan just a while back have reached South Bombay and he has gone to the hotel, which is hardly 5 minutes from the Bombay High Court. He's keeping a close watch, of course, on the whole hearing of the Bombay High Court. Today, Narcotics Control Bureau will be putting up their side of the case. They have already filed a written reply. It's a day 3 of Bombay High Court hearing on Aryan Khan's bail plea, which is going to be starting at around 2:30. The Narcotics Control Bureau, as I said, will be presenting its argument before the Bombay High Court at around 2:30 p.m. Ahead of the hearing, Shah Rukh was seen leaving his home Mannat along with his manager Pooja Dadlani, and we have just got to know that they have reached a South Bombay hotel where he will be placed, he will keep himself during the whole hearing. Remember, the Drug Probe Agency has been vehemently opposing bail plea, claiming that superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son is part of an international drug syndicate. The NCB has pointed to an incriminating WhatsApp chats which spoke of drug procurement and consumption. Yesterday, Aryan Khan's lawyers Mukul Rohatgi and Amit Desai questioned the WhatsApp chats being used to arrest Aryan and his friend Arbaz Merchant. Team Aryan argued that there were no chats to support the conspiracy theory, adding that NCB had chats but misled everyone. The Team Aryan claimed that the chats are more in media than in the court records.
Another night in Arthur Road jail for Aryan Khan. On the second day of hearing, the High Court bench gave a jolt to the NCB's entire case against Aryan. It questioned the admissibility of the WhatsApp chats in court. The NCB has based its entire case against SRK's son on WhatsApp chats, saying it linked to drug procurement and international peddlers. After Mukul Rohatgi, it was senior lawyer Amit Desai who sought to demolish the NCB's arguments. Desai argued that the WhatsApp chats were not shared with his client. He said that the WhatsApp chats were being played out in the media but were not in the court records. Desai also hinted that the chats could have been tampered. Desai, who's defending Arbaz Merchant, said Aryan and his friends were jailed only on the basis of WhatsApp chats, which were not even related to the cruise ship case.
WhatsApp chat or any electronic evidence वर रिलाय करण्यासाठी तुम्हाला 65B सर्टिफिकेट मॅन्डेटरी आहे आणि ते 65B सर्टिफिकेट आता हा केसमध्ये NCBचा पण मिसिंग आहे ते रेकॉर्डवर नाही आहे.
The former Attorney General Mukul Rohatgi questioned Aryan's arrest, saying that the arrest memo did not even mention the grounds. The next 2 days are crucial for Aryan Khan because the High Court closes for Diwali break on November 1st.
Lawyers representing Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhanecha have put forth their best case while arguing that the stringent sections that have been imposed in the case should not have been done. However, on Thursday, Additional Solicitor General Anil Singh will be arguing why the bail should not be granted. And everyone's really hoping that the High Court will pass its order before Friday so that the accused can really come out. Else, they will be behind bars for further 2 weeks as the High Court will be breaking for Diwali vacation. With cameraman Hemant in Mumbai, Vidya for India Today.
What has Aryan's team said in his defense? Mukul Rohatgi was presenting defense for Aryan Khan. My colleague Chaiti Narula explains what was his defense.
Let me take a moment now and explain to you Aryan Khan's 10-point defense. Number one, he says, caught before any drugs were consumed. This is the number one defense. He was caught before any drugs were consumed. Number two, he says, no medical test was done to show consumption. Third defense is arrested for conspiracy even before the drug bust. Number four, event manager let off, I was arrested. Number five, drugs planted on my friend Arbaz Merchant. Number six, nothing to show I financed illicit trafficking of drugs. Number seven, Mobile phone not seized. No basis for WhatsApp chats either. Number 8, Archit played poker with me and he's not a peddler. Number 9, no evidence to prove I will tamper with proof. Number 10, entitled to rehabilitation. Law is reformative. Mukul Rohatgi, that is Aryan Khan's lawyer, has presented this 10-point argument that I just walked you through in court.
So now it seems that today Narcotics Control Bureau, it's very sure that Narcotics Control Bureau will be starting their arguments. Yesterday, Additional Solicitor General had sought at least 1 hour to argue his case. 3 accused, Aryan Khan, Arbaz Merchant and Munmun Dhamecha, their lawyers have argued since last 2 days, and today is the day when NCB will put their side of the story. And of course, there will be some rejoinders. We will see a lot of clashes between the lawyers from both the sides. But what will be the Shah Rukh Khan's, where had Shah Rukh Khan gone? Because we have just seen that Shah Rukh Khan had left Mannat a while back. Yesterday also, he was supposed to reach Bombay High Court, but he went to a hotel in the South Bombay. He was keeping a close watch on the whole case. The next 2-3 days are going to be really important. If Aryan Khan manages to get bail in like next 2-3 days, then he'll be out of Arthur Road jail. Otherwise, he'll have to wait till the Diwali vacations get over. Paras from Mannat and my colleague Saurabh Vakhtania is also with me at this point of time. Paras, first come to you. Mannat, Shah Rukh Khan and Pooja Dadlani, like yesterday, had left Mannat and they have gone to the South Bombay Hotel.
Yes, Sahil, before some time, Pooja Dadlani, Shah Rukh manager, and Shah Rukh Khan has left from Mannat and they had reached a Bombay hotel in South Bombay where they are going to meet their lawyers. Yesterday also they had met their lawyers, their legal team, and this is very crucial time in this matter because today ASG will argue in Bombay High Court. NCB lawyer Anil Singh will argue, and this is the most probably the major day and most important day in this matter as time is running out for Aryan Khan and the other accused because only 2 days have left. After that, Bombay High Court will go on a vacation. In that case, Shah Rukh Khan is trying everything to get Aryan Khan out of the jail. That's why he is regularly visiting the legal team who has come from different places right now. So Shah Rukh Khan is trying everything and he has reached South Bombay Hotel and he will be meeting his legal team today and will discuss so many points that how to get Aryan Khan out of the jail today because it's very important to discuss the points and to get Aryan Khan out of the jail because time is running out because after 2 days Bombay High Court will go on a leave and it may take some time that Aryan Khan has to stay in Arthur Road jail if Bombay High Court goes on a leave then. So that's why Shah Rukh Khan doesn't want anything. That's why he's discussing everything. He's visiting the lawyers team. He's visiting the legal team. That's why he has reached the South Bombay Hotel.
His fingers crossed since last 2 days. The arguments in the Bombay High Court are going on. They were expecting that they will get bail from magistrate, couldn't get it. They were expecting that they will get bail from NDPS court, they couldn't get it. And finally, now it's Bombay High Court where Mukul Rohatgi himself came down to present Aryan Khan's case in the Bombay High Court. Saurabh joins us also. Saurabh, what is it that today you are expecting from Narcotics Control Bureau? Yesterday, Narcotics Control Bureau tried to tell the court when they filed a written reply that Aryan Khan is likely to influence the witnesses. They had given example of Pooja Dadlani, whereas they made it very clear from Aryan Khan's side that they have nothing to do with any allegations made by Prabhakar side.
Well, Sahil, the points are very clear that they are going to say that the Aryan Khan side people are continuously influencing this particular case. They will tamper with the evidence. The case is at a very initial stage and there are many more arrests which has to take place. They are also going to say that how this is a huge conspiracy and many people are involved in this particular case. They are going to say that how this is an international drug racket and it is an interconnected thing. The witnesses have been influenced in this particular case and therefore none of the accused should be given bail. They are also going to put out the statement given by Mr. Samir Wankhede wherein he's been put under pressure. The allegation which Samir Wankhede is putting that he's been put under pressure and he's not given to work properly in this particular case, and this is all the arguments which the NCB is going to put in the court to avoid the bail application of Aryan Khan, let me tell you, the lawyer has already said that he is going to take around 1 hour time. So Sahil, it will be very important and interesting to see that when actually the bail hearing actually started, because once it gets started, Anil Singh, ASG Anil Singh is going to take an hour time to actually complete his argument, and after which court has its power. It can give the order at same particular time, or it can reserve the order for tomorrow, any other time. So very important, like Paras was saying, it's a race against time. By today or by tomorrow, if Aryan Khan gets bail, it will be good for him, because if that does not happen, then the court goes for vacation.
Saying that when the hearing will start after 2:30, the court has said that they will be hearing the Narcotics Control Bureau's arguments in the court. I'm sure there